Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the essentials of your beauty needs, from top-rated skincare to oral care innovations. Now, if you're someone who struggles with coffee stains, braces, or simply maintaining a white and healthy smile, you're probably familiar with the endless options out there. But today, we're talking about the COSLUS Water Flosser Pick, designed to tackle those tough stains while keeping your gums healthy. Plus, it promises a refreshing minty boost with each use. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Let's get into it. The COSLUS Water Flosser Pick comes as a complete oral care kit, combining deep cleaning with whitening benefits. It includes 30 whitening mint-flavored refills, 3 interchangeable tips, and a powerful rechargeable unit. The idea is simple. It promises to clean your teeth more effectively than traditional flossing, and it's perfect for those who want to maintain a white smile without harsh chemicals. This device uses ultra-fine dual-stream water technology to remove plaque, surface stains, and even the stubborn coffee residue that many of us battle daily. When you first open the box, the product feels solid and sleek. The 300mm tank is removable, so you won't be refilling it constantly. You've got 3 settings to choose from: food removal, orthodontic care, and the all-important coffee stain removal. It's ideal for anyone with braces or sensitive gums, and let's not forget those of us who need that extra boost to keep our smiles sparkling. I tested this flosser for a couple of weeks, using it in my daily routine. It was easy to incorporate into my morning and evening regimens, and I noticed an immediate improvement in my gum health and the appearance of my teeth. The water pressure is strong but gentle enough for sensitive gums, and I didn't feel like it was causing any discomfort. The whitening mint flavor added a fresh touch, and the jet stream was effective at reaching those hard-to-reach areas between teeth. I especially loved how it handled cleaning after meals, quick and efficient. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It's portable, easy to use, and offers a great value with the included refills and interchangeable tips. The 30-day battery life is also a huge win, and the fact that it's travel-ready is perfect for anyone always on the go. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower without any issues. The cons? It's a bit bulky compared to manual floss picks, and while the design is sleek, it might take up a bit more space in your bathroom than you're used to. Also, the charging adapter isn't included, which is a small inconvenience, but that's a minor detail. So, is it worth the price? The value is definitely there. When you factor in the added features like the powerful motor, the whitening mint refills, and the long-lasting battery, you're looking at a solid investment for your oral care routine. If you've been using traditional floss or manual tools, this is a game changer in terms of ease of use and effectiveness. Comparing it to other products on the market, there are definitely some similar models, but few offer the same level of customization with the 3 different tips and whitening benefits. The COSLUS flosser is also more affordable than some of the higher-end alternatives that promise similar results. As for build quality, the product is sturdy and feels durable. I've had no issues with wear and tear, and with proper care, it should last quite a while. It's got that 3-year durability promise, which gives me confidence it'll last through the daily grind of my routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk customer support. While I haven't personally had to contact COSLUS, their reputation for quick responses and helpful service is a good sign. That's something to keep in mind if you ever run into any issues with the product. There haven't been any major updates to this product yet, but I'll be keeping an eye out for any changes. If they improve the design or introduce any new features, I'll be sure to update you all. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, there are some good options out there, but you'll be hard-pressed to find a product that matches this one's combination of performance, portability, and affordability. In summary, the COSLUS Water Flosser Pick delivers on its promises of a deep clean and whitening boost. It's easy to use, highly effective, and perfect for anyone with braces, sensitive gums, or coffee stains. It's a great investment if you're looking to upgrade your oral care routine without breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, you can find the link to purchase it in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.